afternoon.
For all of you, I'm moonlighting. I thought I was going to come here and cover this press conference because I never leave home without my video camera. But I want to thank you for inviting me to this very, very important event. In front of us, the park in front of us didn't look that way a few years ago. Yankee Stadium was not there over a year ago. But yet, Kingsbridge Armory has been abandoned by the state, the military, and the city since 1996. And in 1997, we began a struggle to convince government to begin to consider dealing with the overpopulation that we have in our classroom by considering our recommendation to build schools right in or outside the Kingsbridge Armory. That was over 13 years ago. I know most of the elected officials was already born, but all these youngsters were not, most of them were not born. Only a couple of the activists. I know John DeCio was already born. And we're all playing different roles today. And the role that we're playing today is the most important that we can play as 13 years have gone by. What is the role? That all the elected officials, from the borough president to all of us, are standing united with all of you in your demand. It's not a request. I don't believe in requests. We're entitled to better school and new school. It was our part of the Bronx, our district, that brought to attention the overpopulation in our schools, in the borough of the Bronx, and in this city. And the mayor, this Mayor Bloomberg, can feel fit to turn over vacant lots to developers to develop. It is time, Bloomberg. It is time for you to come to your senses, listen to the community, and invest in the future of our neighborhood, the future of this great borough and our city by building school in 195th Street.